So I'm going to turn right here, and not sure which way I want to go. I came out here recently and not really sure the way I went to actually get out of here, but I think I'm going to go back the way I came and get out, because I don't think going that way is the way to do it. So I think it's this way. I just forget sometimes, you know. I have a really rough time remembering, you know. 1964, that sounds like a good year, doesn't it? But I don't know which is what. I don't want to go up that road. Watts Ferry, and no ferries, nothing. So I'm going out here and see. I have not come to that little road that I know of, that had a green tractor sitting next to it. I might have. Look at that rock wall. Isn't that beautiful? Love that, you know. Just love it. Yeah, it's a gorgeous day out here. Fantastic. Beautiful out here, beautiful. Oh, I love it. So I came down by Woodford Reserve. I might end up going back that way and just situation that I need to do. Look at all these walnuts. That's nice. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that farmhouse over there. Isn't that nice? Beautiful area. That'd be a great place for anybody with a bunch of children to get out and play and have fun. It'd just be great, you know. Are so tired. Woodford Reserve, people. Getting ready to pass that. Guess they do tours and so forth, you know, and I don't know if they provide, you know, meals and things like that. If they have restaurant stuff where people would want to come and eat, I don't know. See, like I said, you have a lot of people that likes to come out here. It's lovely. persimmons, the wild persimmons, not the big ones you can get in the store, but the smaller ones that grow in the wild on trees, you know. But you have to have a good frost on it, maybe more than one good frost to really get good ones, because when they still look firm, they are not okay to eat. They're bitter and they're not good. But if you wait until they start getting soft and mushy, oh, that's when they're so good. It was always a pleasure to find a persimmon tree when we were growing up. It's really good. I could have pulled off there and let the guy have it. Never even thought about it. I forgot. Okay. But I thank you for riding along with Sharon. I appreciate it, and I hope if you haven't subscribed and you find this on YouTube, I hope you subscribe, and I hope you like my videos. Hope you watch them till the end. That would be very kind of you. Looks like they've been putting some mulch around some of these trees out here. That's good. Looks nice. Wants to get past me, but I'm not sure where to pull over and let him have it. Oh, there's a green tractor. I wonder if that's, no, that looks more like, could be green. Just wonder if that's the one that I saw the other day, but probably not. Probably not it, because I don't think I was on this road. Could have been, but I don't think so. Here we are. We're on 60, ready to turn off on 60. I mean, I'm so glad. I'm really glad to do that. I hope the person behind me is going the other way. Well, I guess I gotta wait some more. As soon as this truck here gets past, I should be able to go. Alrighty. Here we go then. Whoa. This is hard. He didn't honk at me or anything. He did pretty good. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Over there's a winery. I didn't notice the name. I've seen it before. Of course, I've videoed this area quite a bit. So, you know. days like that when I would have to put my sunglasses on and off and on and off. And this could be one of those days, but I'm not even going to do that. I'm just leaving the sunglasses on and just deal with it a little bit, you know. Better slow my roll just a little. Look at those soybeans over there on the hill. Saw those earlier, see, on the left over there. Well, thank you for riding along with Sharon, and hopefully I will, visit with you in another one. Thank you.